Okay, so this is going to be some homework on how you can make a simple structures in Minecraft. So I'm going to show you what we want to build. What we want to build is something like this. Then you want to build something like this. This has a turn. Then you want to build something like this, which has gaps. And then the last thing you want to build is something like this, which goes up, has gaps, and goes in all sorts of different directions. Now, I'm going to make this a little bit easier for you by telling you where you need to start and stop. So you can see that the pink is where you should stop and start. Right, and hopefully this should make things clearer for you. So there we go. So in the case of this one right here, the one I'm working on right now, what you should be doing is start from any side, and you're going to start right here. Not exactly here, but you're going to start somewhere else where this pink thing is, or this pink block is. Move forward, turn left, and go up to here, stop, go forward, up to this point, start again, and then go forward. Now, you'll know what start and stop means in the lesson because that is what I use to describe placing on move. So let's do a few of these really quickly. And then that way you'll see sort of the starting code you'll be able to use so that you can build some of these things. And I don't want you to build next to it. You can, look at this world. There's so much space, right? You can use all the space you want to. Don't go too far because you might not be able to find this again. But you can use all this space. So if I click new project and I'm going to bring my agent in, first thing we need is 4 of these, like so. This one's going to be RL, this will be R, this will be L, and then this will be go. And in RL, we want agent teleport to player. It should be quite easy. Agent teleport or turn left in L, and then of course agent R is going to be agent turn right. In this, we need 2 things. We need the first thing, which is agent place on move, so that your agent actually places blocks when he's moving, or when he or she is moving. I don't actually know if the agent's a boy or a girl. And then we also need blocks. Now the blocks can be anything. Make it fun. Use gold, use diamond, use netherite, use whatever you want to. I really like this one right here. Is it block of resin? If I type in resin, where is it? Resin. Oh, I guess this is it. There was another one that I saw. Was it purple? This is also one I like. I like this one right here, this purple block. And so if I wanted to build this first one right here, well, okay, I'm going to start from here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I need to go forward by 8. Let's type in RL. Let's type in L. L again. Now it's facing the right way. And I want it to go forward by 8. So I'm going to use this agent move forward. Go forward by 8. Okay, press play. Type in go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Perfect. So let's see if this is correct. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, why they're different? Because I counted this before, and I actually counted from here, which is why it's 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. However, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's if I count from the next block. So, okay, how do I fix this? Because they are different sizes. What you need to remember is that the agent does not place where he is. So if we want to have a line that's exactly this length, we should +1. So we're going to go forward by 1, place a block here. Go forward by 1, place a block here. Go forward by 1, place a block. Keep doing that. You can see that if we go exactly to where this is, which is 8, then we're going to be missing a block right here, right? This is what we're missing. So we need to go forward by 9. Then that way we have built the complete line, and now the agent's in the correct place, right? So remember that if your block isn't exactly the same length, it's because your agent isn't building where he is, he builds where he was, which is important. Very good. Perfect. So we'll move on. Right here, all you got to do is add a simple right turn. So I'll move over here and show you what a simple right turn looks like. I'm not going to do it for you. I'm going to show you sort of the starter code. Type in C. Okay, now I can use agent turn right and agent move forward. There we go. Press play. Type in run, was it go? There we are. Okay, now my agent's gonna build, then turn right, and then build again. So that's how we can get a shape like this. Obviously, you will use different numbers, but that's kind of the general idea of how to complete this work, this homework. The next part is being able to create gaps in between. How do we do that? Well, I would do it using this block right here. So I'm going to say agent move forward by 3, then place on move off, then agent move forward by 3 again, then place on, and yeah, let's see what happens now. So you'll see now I'm going to have gaps in my code. There we go. That's how we can make gaps. And again, the tricky part is remembering that the agent doesn't place where he is, he places where he was. And you'll need to figure that out so that you can make this structure. Now I want you to make it exactly right. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, no blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, no blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It needs to be the exact same length. How do we do the big one right here? How do we do this? Well, super easy. The same way we just did everything else. All we got to do now is add a up, like so. And maybe we can say agent place move off right here. Okay, and then have one more here. Have one more here. On, this will be 3, this will be 4. There we go. Okay, type in RL and type in go. We're going to see what happens here. Okay, so he does something a bit weird, but you get the idea, right? We can move in space, and that's how we're able to make these gaps and how we're able to place blocks. So that's the homework. I want you to figure out all 4 of these, make these exactly the same. You can use different blocks, but I want you to make it the exact length. So 4, miss 2, 4, miss 1, 5, turn right, 6, stop. Here it's going to be go forward by 5, then go up, then go this way, then miss 2, then go this way, then go turn right, go forward by 3, miss 2, then go forward by 3 again. Right, so make sure you're counting and checking as you go along. I would suggest that you start slowly and go from there. So that's everything for today's homework. See you guys in the next lesson. Goodbye.